This is Dr. Alex Roher with SD Botox, and today I'm going to be discussing 5 things to know before getting dermal fillers. Dermal fillers like Restylane, Juvederm, they're naturally occurring substances in the human body, hyaluronic acid, and so we're just adding more hyaluronic acid to a certain part of the face which you want enhanced, either to make a structure larger or to minimize a line. One nice thing about hyaluronic acid is that it's reversible, so with an enzyme called hyaluronidase. So let's say you love it, but you need a little tweak, we could always add a little more, we can take a little out. Common areas people get dermal fillers. One is the lips. You can make the lips bigger. That's the one everyone thinks of first. But you could also do the cheeks. You could define the angle of the jaw. You could fill the temples. You could fill the nasolabial folds, the continuation in the marionette line. These are called tear troughs, that little hollowness underneath the eye. There's tons of places to put filler. So another thing to keep in mind when getting dermal fillers is that less can be more. We like to give a very natural facial filling result. Even more important than which dermal filler you choose a practitioner that knows what he or she is doing. You just want to make sure that the person you're going to, you're comfortable with, that you've seen their work. Either a referral from a friend is great, online reviews are a good source. You could always find someone, you could ask to see their portfolio, meaning their previous work, before and afters. So you always want to make sure that you're comfortable with that specific provider. And then the other thing to keep in mind when choosing a dermal filler is price. So cheaper is not necessarily better, it's not necessarily worse, but it is a factor when people make this decision. Just make sure you're making the right choice. Thank you for watching. This has been Dr. Alex Roher with SD Botox.